Good morning, children. I hope you all are understand yesterday topic. So today we will solve some problems. Okay, let's go. So first sum. Simplify 3 power of minus 5 into 10 power of minus 5 into 125 whole divided by 5 power of minus 7 into 6 power of minus 5. Okay, just observe, is there any common bases or common exponents? Yes. So I will solve in my way. Okay, once listen. So here 3 power of minus 5 into 10 power of minus 5 into 125 by 5 power of minus 7 into 6 power of minus 5. So here base is 10. Here base is 10. I converted 10 as 2 into 5. So 2 into 5 whole to the power of minus 5. Next here 125. I simplified here. So 125 becomes 5 power of 3. 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5 is 25. 25 5 is 125. Okay. So 5 cube by 5 power of minus 7 into here 6. 6 power of minus 5. Next 3 power of minus 5 into, this is look like a into b whole to the power of minus 5. So a into b whole to the power of minus 5 is equal to, we know that a into b whole to the power of m is equal to a power of m into b power of m. Okay, in this formula we used it here. So 2 power of minus 5 into 5 power of minus 5 into 5 power of 3, this one, by 5 power of minus 7 into 6 power of minus 5. Now just observe, in this 2 bases are here, sorry, exponents are equal. So I multiplied this 2 only. Okay, I multiplied this 2 only. So 3 2 just 6. Powers equal, so just multiply the bases. 3 into 2 is equal to 3 2 just 6. 3 into 2 whole to the power of minus 5 into, here also I used the, just observe here, I used two formulas for this and this. So a power of m into b power of m, that is equal to a power of, sorry, a into b whole to the power of m. Okay, next here a power of m into a power of n, a power of m into a power of n, that is equal to a power of m plus n. Okay, so a power of m into b power of m, that means a into b whole to the power of m, that is equal to 3 into 2 whole to the power of minus 5 into, here bases equal, so 5 a power of m into a power of n is equal to a power of m plus n. So minus 5 plus 3, 5 power, okay, whole divided by 5 power of minus 7 into 6 power of 5 minus 5. So here 3 2 ja 6, 6 power of minus 5 into 5 power of minus 2 plus 3 minus 2 whole divided by 5 power of minus 7 into 6 power of minus 5. So here 6 power of minus 5, here also have 6 power of minus 5. So both are get cancelled. 6 power of minus 1 side and 6 power of minus 5 into, sorry, remaining 5 power of, here 5 power of minus 2 by 5 power of minus 7. Okay, now this is a power of m by a power of n. So a power of m by a power of n, that is equal to a power of m minus n. So subtract the exponents. So 5 power of minus 2 minus of minus 7. So minus 2 minus into minus plus 7, that is equal to 5 power of 5. Okay now. So I did in this way. One another way we have to solve, I have to solve this one. Listen. See here. 3 power of minus 5 into 10 power of minus 5 into 125 by 5 power of minus 7 into 6 power of minus 5. That means here powers equal, bases are not equal. We know that should multiply the bases. So that means a power of m into b power of m is equal to ab whole to the power of m. That means 3 into 10 whole to the power of minus 5 into 125 by, here just observe, here have the 5 into 6. This here also the two bases are different and powers also different. Shall I convert minus 7 as minus 5 minus 2? Yes. So minus 2 minus 5. So minus 2 minus 5 is equal to minus 7. Why means I converted here have minus 5. So I converted minus 7 as minus 2 minus 5. Okay. Now 3 10s are 30 whole to the power of minus 5 into, shall I write 125 as 5 cube? Yes. 5 cube by 5 power of, now we have, this is a power of m plus n, that is equal, here a power of m plus n, that is equal to a power of m into a power of n. Okay. On that way I used this formula at here. So 5 power of minus 2 into 5 power of minus 5. Now added this one, bases are equal in multiplication. So take that 5 as the base and add the powers. That means minus 2 minus 5. Minus 2 plus of minus 5 plus into minus minus. So minus 2 minus 5. Okay. Did you get? Yes. Into 6 power of minus 5. Now 30 power of minus 5 into 5 cube by 5 power of minus 2. Now these two have same exponents. So same, multiply the bases. So 5 into 6, 5 6 the 30 whole to the power of minus 5. So in numerator have 30 power of minus 5 and denominator 30 power of minus 5. Both are get cancelled. Then 1 and 1. Okay. Into here 5 power of 3 by 5 power of minus 2. Okay. So 5 power of 5 power of 3 by 5 power of minus 2. Okay. Next, this is bases equal, powers not equal. So a power of m by a power of n is equal to a power of m minus n. Subtract the exponents. So take the base as 5 and 3 minus of minus 2. That is called minus of minus. So minus into minus plus 3 plus 2, that is equal to 5 power of 5. So previous also we got the same. Yes or no? So each problem has so many solutions, we can solve it in many ways. Okay. I think you understand what I said. Are you clear? Okay. Next. Go for the next one. Evaluate 1 by 3 whole to the power of minus 1 minus 1 by 4 whole to the power of minus 1 whole total whole power minus 1. Now observe minus 1 minus 1. But it is not multiplication. Here have the subtract, negative sign. So there is no chance to use the what we know the formula. So simply we have to do individual simplification. So 1 by 3 whole to the power of minus m. That means a by b whole to the power is whole to the power of minus m. We know that a by b whole to the power of minus m is equal to a b by a whole to the power of plus m. So 1 by 3 becomes 3 by 1 whole to the power of negative charge becomes positive charge. Okay. Minus 1 by 4 becomes 4 by 1 whole to the power of negative charge becomes positive charge 1. Total whole to the power of minus 1. This one. Okay. Next 3 by 1, that means 3 whole to the power of 1 means 3 only. Minus 4 by 1, 4, that whole power of 1 means 4 only, whole to the power of minus 1. Next 3 minus 4 is equal to minus 1 whole to the power of minus 1. So minus 1 whole to the power of minus 1, that is equal to, again we know the formula, a power of minus m, that is equal to 1 by a power of m. That means 1 by minus 1 whole to the power of 1, that is equal to 1 by minus 1 whole to the power of 1 means minus 1 only. So 1 by minus 1 is equal to minus 1 only. Okay. Next. Next one. If 2 power of 3x is equal to 8 power of 2x plus 1, find x value. So, given 2 power of 3x is equal to 8 power of 2x plus 1. Now tell me, is there any chance to find x value? Yes, listen. Here base is 2, but here base is 8. Exponent 3x, here 2x plus 1. That means there is no any chance to use the formulas. That's why I did it here. 8 should converted as 2 power of 3. Why means I want to get base are equal, otherwise exponent are equal. Here there is a chance to convert the base 8 as 2 power of 3. Yes. So 8 becomes 2 power of 3 whole to the power of this part 2x plus 1. Okay. Now I got on both sides bases are equal. So that is equal to 2 power of 3x is equal to 2 power of, this is look like as a power of m whole to the power of n, that is equal to a power of m into n. Okay. So I used this formula, that means 2 power of 3 into 2x plus 1, 3 into 2x plus 1. Okay. Now on both sides same bases. On both sides have the same bases, then exponents also should be equal. That is equal to 3x is equal to 3 into 2x plus 1. That means 3x is equal to 3 into 2x plus 1. Okay. So on both sides have same values. So that is 3 into 3. So 3 get cancelled. That means you have to do this like also. That means 3x is equal to 3 into 2x plus 1. No. So 3 is multiplied with the x. So 3 it will come this side. It will become divide. So 2x plus 1. Yes or no? So 3 get cancelled. I did it here. Direct cancel. Okay. Now x is equal to 2x plus 1. Now separate the variables and the constants. So here have the x, here also have 2x. So 2x it will go that side, it becomes minus 2x is equal to plus 1. So x minus 2x is equal to minus x is equal to 1. X is equal to minus 1. Clear? Yes. Next one. If 5 power of x plus 5 power of x minus 1 is equal to 750, find x value. So given that 5 power of x plus 5 power of x minus 1 is equal to 750. Just observe it here. 5 bases are equal, powers are not equal, but it is additional form. That means here not the division or multiplication. So there is no chance to use any formula. So I did it. So listen, 5 power of x plus 5 power of x minus 1. That means a power of m minus 1, m minus n. That means a power of m by a power of n. So I used one formula, that is a power of m minus n is equal to a power of m by a power of n. Okay. Now this is 5 power of x plus 5 power of x by 5. Now I take LCM of these two. So what is the LCM? Not there anything means to take 1 and 1 and 5. What is the LCM of these two? 5 only. So 5 into, in numerator what will come? See, 1 how many times? 5 times, into numerator is 5x. So 5x plus 5 how many times you will get 5? 1 time, into what is the numerator? 5x. Okay, 5x is equal to 750. Now tell me what is the common value in these two? 5x. So I got 5x as the common, into rest of the values 5 plus 1 by 5 is equal to 750. That means that is equal to 5 power of x into 5 plus 1 is 6 is equal to, this 5 is divided in this side, it will go that side, it will become multiplication. So 5x is equal to 750 into 5 by 6 is multiplying. So it will come this side, it will divide in this side. Okay, so 6 ones are 6, 6 2s are 12, remaining 3, 6 5s are 30. Okay, so 125 into 5, that is equal to 5 power of x is equal to 125 into 5. Now 5 power of x is equal to, shall I write 125 as 5 cube, 5 into 5 into 5 into this 5. Okay, now bases equal, should add the powers, nothing means to take 1. Okay, 3 plus 1, 4. So 5 power of x is equal to 5 power of 4. When bases are equal on both sides, exponent should be equal. So x is equal to 4. This is the answer. Clear? Okay. Next sum. If 5 power of m into 5 power of 3 into 5 power of minus 2 whole divided by 5 power of minus 5 is equal to 5 power of 12. Find m value. Very good question. So in LHS and RHS have the same basis. Okay, now so we know that some formulas use it and to find that m value. 5 power of m into 5 power of 3 into 5 power of minus 2. So a power of m, that is, which formula we used? Is it possible to use a power of m into a power of n into a power of p, that is equal to a power of m plus n plus p. That means if you have how many numbers in multiplication, then when bases are equal, should add the powers directly. Okay, so 5 power of m plus 3 plus minus 2, m plus 3 plus of minus 2 is equal to, so 5 power of minus 5 is in LHS, in this side. So it will go that side, it becomes multiply. So 5 power of 12 into 5 power of minus 5. Now 5 power of m plus 3 plus into minus, 3 minus 2 is equal to 1 plus 1. It is 5 power of m plus 1 is equal to 5 power of 12 plus into minus 5, that is equal to 5 power of 7. So here on both sides bases are equal, so exponents must be equal. So m plus 1 is equal to 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. So m plus 1 is equal to 7. Plus 1 it will come this side, it becomes minus 1. So 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. So it is our answer. Okay. Okay, so this chapter is also completed. After I will give some assignments, do practice that one. Okay, thank you.